Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing VS Code and opening it from Applications. This gives the app proper permission and Finder visibility. Once done, install the shell command. Open the command palette, type shell command, install, and add the code command to your path so you can launch from terminal. Make sure to grant any security prompts for extensions or tools. This first step lets you switch quickly between terminal and editor, which speeds up workflow and prevents path errors later. Next, customize VS Code to suit your projects. Install extensions like GetLens, Prettier, and language support for the languages you use. Once installed, enable settings sync so your themes, keybindings, and extension list follow you across machines. Then, open Preferences and tweak Editor. Font size, tab size, and format on save. These small settings reduce friction. Also map a few keybindings you use often. By doing this, you make the editor both faster to use and consistent across projects. Finally, run and debug. Open the built-in terminal to run scripts, then create a debug configuration to step through code. Use the source control pane to stage, commit, and push changes. Make sure your Git credentials are configured. Once done, test a run and inspect the debug console for logs. If things go wrong, restart with all extensions disabled to isolate the issue. Then check the output and developer tools to find errors and progressively re-enable extensions until the culprit appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.